Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So, just to recap, there are 11 Brithir Navrialta irregular verbs in Irish. Be to be, aber to say, feck to see. Fi to get or find, te to go, dain to make or do. Bear to grab, clish to hear, and to eat. Tor to give, tar to come. So, not all of the 11 irregular verbs are regular in the Aimsir Láithreach, the present tense. Only the ones that you see with the little asterisks are a little different. The rest of them just follow the rules that we did in the previous videos on Aimsir Láithreach. Now, interestingly, be has two conjugations in an Aimsir Láithreach. Beam, the first one, is things that happen every day. So, beam, I am. Being two, you are. Being she, he is. Being she is. Being mid, we are. Being shiv, ye are. Being sheed, they are. And the question is on mean, and the negative is neveen. Now, the other one we use more commonly is tá. Tá is what we use in the instance. So be is something that happens every day, every month, whereas tá is something that's happening right now. Tá may, I am. Sometimes I say Tom, but tá may is more regularly used. Tá tú, you are. Tá sé, he is. Tá she is. Tá mid, we are. Tá shiv, ye are. Tá siad, they are. On will is a question, and Neil is the negative. So be, on kesht, on will, and the fragra, tá for the positive, Neil for the negative. Aber, to say, doesn't really follow the rules. Derum, I say. Der two, you say. Der she, he says. Der she says. Deramid, we say. Der shiv, ye say. Der shiad, they say. On nair, ni there, so there's no shavu there. Feck, to see. Feckum, I see. Feckin two, you see. Feckin she, he sees. Feckin she sees. Feckin mid, we see. Feckin shiv, ye see. Feckin shiad, they see. On feckin, ni ekin. Fi, to get or find, just follows the rule of a one syllable slender brithir. Fiam, I get. Fian two, you get. Fian she, he gets. Fian she gets. Fian mid, we get. Fian shiv, ye get. Fian shiad, they get. On vian, ni ein. Now, te, to go, is irregular and doesn't quite follow the rules. Team, I go. Tein two, you go. Tein she, he goes. Tein she goes. Tein mid, we go. Tein shiv, ye go. Tein shiad, they go. On dain, ni hain. And as you can see, there's a break in the dentals rules with on dain. Dain, to make or do, so just follows the rule of a brithir lahan, of a regular broad verb. Dainum, I make. Dainin two, you make. Dainin she, he makes. Dainin she makes. Dainin mid, we make. Dainin shiv, ye make. Dainin shiad, they make. On nainin, ni ainin. Just watch out, there's a break in the dentals rule there as well. Bear, to grab. Berum, I grab. Berin two, you grab. Berin she, he grabs. Berin she grabs. Berin mid, we grab. Berin shiv, ye grab. Berin shiad, they grab. On merin, ni verin. Clish, to hear, just follows the regular rules. Clisham, I hear. Clishin two, you hear. Clishin she, he hears. Clishin she hears. Clishin mid, we hear. Clishin shiv, ye hear. Clishin shiad, they hear. On glishin, ni clishin. To eat. Iham, I eat. Ihin two, you eat. Ihin she, he eats. Ihin she eats. Ihim it, we eat. Ihin shiv, ye eat. Ihin shiad, they eat. On ihin, ni ihin. Tor, to give, does not really follow the rules. Tugum, I give. Tuggin to, you give. Tuggin she, he gives. Tuggin she gives. Tuggamid, we give. Tuggin shiv, ye give. Tuggin shiad, they give. On Duggan, ni huggin. Again, watch out, there's no dental rule there. Tar, to come, again, doesn't follow the rules. Toggum, I come. Toggin to, you come. Toggin she, he comes. Toggin she comes. Toggamid, we come. Toggin shiv, ye come. Toggin shiad, they come. On Doggan, ni huggin. Again, watch out, there's no dental rules there either.
Agus sin é.